Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I am Xavier Basumatari. Today, we bring you two significant news updates from our neighboring countries, Bangladesh and Bhutan. In the 2024 Bangladeshi General Election, Sheikh Hasina, who has previously been the Prime Minister of Bangladesh 4 times, has emerged victorious once again. This is the fourth consecutive win for her party, Awami League. This year's election, however, saw a real low participation from among the voters, numbering around a strikingly low 40%. Awami League in all won from 216 seats, Sheikh Hasina winning from the Gopalganj 3 constituency located in the Dhaka division, while the Jatiya party winning from 11 seats. The chief opposition party, the Bangladesh Nationalist Party, had boycotted this year's election like they did in 2014, claiming that the Election Commission under the current government was failing to conduct a free and fair election. It is nevertheless notable that in order to conduct fair elections, the Bangladeshi Election Commission was formed in 2022. Awami League is a part of the political coalition Grand Alliance consisting of parties that fall on different positions on the political spectrum. Now let us move on to the recent parliamentary election in Bhutan, where the People's Democratic Party (PDP) led by former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina secured victory by winning 30 out of 47 National Assembly seats. The Bhutan Tendril Party (BTP) secured the remaining 17 seats. Despite the nation's unique reliance on a gross national happiness index instead of GDP, the election revolved around economic concerns. The Election Commission of Bhutan is set to confirm these results soon. Both winning parties emphasize a government philosophy that prioritizes the people's happiness and well-being. Tobgay, expected to reclaim the prime ministerial role, highlighted Bhutan's economic challenges and population exodus in his campaign. Unemployment and insufficient wages were key concerns voiced by voters, prompting many to seek opportunities abroad, particularly in Australia. Bhutan, nestled between China and India, transitioned to democracy in 2008 following the abdication of King Jigme Singye Wangchuk in favor of his son. Since then, the nation has witnessed a growing emphasis on economic growth and opportunities to address its citizens' needs. That's all for today's news. Keep watching Eastern Paradigm.